Today's agenda: getting the fan shroud in place. How do you like that, huh? Yeah, y'all ain't never seen anything like that. It's a nice little setup. No floats. Return system. Alright. Gotta get to it. That just fits in that tray. It's under the radiator, supports it. Start them off with a 3 fin. Well, this turned into a steering issue. It may be that it's bent, but there's definitely play in it. We're gonna have to check that out. Y'all familiar with Super Bowls? Huh? Actually, it's an old design. It's nothing new. 40s Willys had it. Here's your jet change. Your jet change, your idle. You can run this engine upside down if you wanted to still run. How about that for your rock crawlers, huh? Chad, square body stuff. You ever run those on your rock crawlers? There you go, Willy style. Called a Super Bowl. Fits the Holly carbs. Keeps your jets submerged. Pretty ingenious idea. Back in the 40s. Okay. Alright, so rack is back in. Gonna have to straighten out that line. But shroud's going in, fan. Hopefully we'll get this thing started today. Break the cam in. Oh, no, this one has a roller. That's right. There's a roller engine. So, kind of had to make my own wire separator. See how it zip ties like that. Alright, so we got the wires in place. Routed nice and neat, tucked away. Still working on the fan and shroud. This is done over here. See how I did that? I got the insulation. I got heat shrink to the boot. And this is that stretch stick tape. So fully insulated. I think routed really nice and tight to the engine. Away from the headers. and we're still waiting on the